Hello everybody, welcome back to hardreset.info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily clone an SSH key for your Bitwarden on PC. So first, what we want to do is we want to find our SSH key right here. Now, we want to go over here and click on clone. As you guys can see, everything stays the same. And here we can change the nodes for an example so you guys notice the difference. But the name, the private key, public key, fingerprint will be the same. So we can click on save right here. As you guys can see, everything here is matching because it's just a clone. So this is how you guys can easily clone it. You guys can also do that the second way. So you click the right mouse button and you click on edit. Now, sorry, not the edit, but the clone. Here, as you guys can see, you will see the same menu pop up. Now we can just click save and another clone just arrived. So that's basically how we can do that. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.